remember, the itis means inflammation and arthro means joint. Today I would like to talk a little bit more about arthritis. It's quite common that after surgery, whether it be a small surgery or a larger surgery, that arthritis gets exacerbated or really excited. Arthritis can very easily get worse after an event, whether it be a small car accident or a surgery or a fall or even just bumping your hand and wrist, bumping your elbow. But quite often after, for example, a trigger finger release surgery or a carpal tunnel release surgery or a tennis elbow surgery or a fracture that has to be repaired with plates and screws, for example. The old saying is that arthritis loves a party. And the party is whatever event occurred, and now the arthritis is all excited. So remember, the itis means inflammation and arthro means joint.